Welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining the import statement in Python. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So please don't forget to like the video and please don't forget to share the video with your friends. So import statement. Now, why we use import statement? Before that, we need to understand what is a built-in function. So all Python programs can call a set of functions called built-in functions. Built-in functions means whenever you install Python, then only all the functions will be stored in a standard library called module. And you can call that functions and you can just use that functions in your program without writing any code. For example, print function, input function, length function. These are all the examples of a built-in functions. There you can use that in your program, Python program. How you can use that means using a import statement. Python also comes with a set of modules called the standard library. So each module or each standard library contains a group of functions that the functions can be used in your programs. For example, if you want to use mathematical related function, you should import math module. For example, if you want to use square root function, you should import math module because square root function is contained is present in math module. Okay. For example, you can see here this random is a built-in function. Built-in function means it's already there. Whenever you install Python, then only this function is already is already stored in a module, right? Random in a random module. Okay, so you're importing a random module. In that random module, you are using a function called random integer. So this random integer is going to generate a random integer between the range 1 to 10, right? How many times it should generate a random integer means 5 times. 5 random integer it should generate. So it is going to generate some random integers. Total 5 random integers it is going to generate. See, to use this random int, that is randint function, I should import the library random. So random dot randint means this randint function is in the module random. Randint function is in the module random. So to use that, I should import that built-in function random. Hope you're understanding. So once we import a module, we can use all the function of that module, right? Just know that, right? Right? See. So before we can use the function in a module, we must import the module with the import statement. So the import statement, as in the example, the import statement contains the import keyword. Next, the name of the module, what you want to import. Here I want to import the module random. So in that random module, I want to import the randint function. I need to use that function in my program. Optionally, one more important thing, it's not a rule that you should always import only one module. No, you can import as many modules as you want, and right, but the rule is all the modules should be separated by commas, right? For example, you can see I'm importing 4 functions here. Random function, sorry, 4 modules here: random module, sys module, os module, math module. But you can observe each module is separated by comma. You can import multiple modules, right? So far you understood that you can import built-in functions in Python using import keyword. So, and also you can import multiple modules same at the same time. Okay, you know that you should use import keyword to import the particular module. And next thing, you can also import your modules using a from statement or from keyword. For example, a alternative keyword from is used to import the module. So for example, see here, from random import star dot. You are telling that from random I have to import. By using the from keyword, you are importing from random module. So with this form of import statement, calls to function in random will not need the random prefix. What is the advantage here? What is the advantage means, here we included a random prefix, right? So this random prefix is not necessary if you use a from keyword, from random import. So it will automatically import the function from the random module. We don't need any random prefix. But however, using the full name makes more readable code. This can be done, but we prefer full names rather than the from keyword. Okay. So that's it, guys. Hope you understood the concept. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.